So this is how it looks. Honestly, I am not liking it that much because Hi guys, I'm Meechu and welcome back to my channel. Now before starting today's video, I want to say sorry for skipping my last week's video. Last week थोड़ी तबीयत ख़राब थी और मैं थोड़ा डाउन भी फील कर रही थी. मैंने ट्राई भी किया था यूट्यूब वीडियो लेने का, लेकिन मैं कंटिन्यूस बोल नहीं पा रही थी और बहुत ही डल लग रहा था. आउटकम बहुत वियर्ड आ रहा था. सो आई थॉट टू ड्रॉप इट. लेकिन मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा क्योंकि जब मैंने यूट्यूब स्टार्ट किया था मेरा फर्स्ट रूल यही था कि मैं एवरी फ्राइडे वीडियो डालूंगी और जो हर फ्राइडे इंटरेक्शन होता था वो मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा मिस किया. नाउ मूविंग ऑन विद today's video, I have something really different for you all because I'll be reviewing Huda Beauty's Legit Lashes Mascara, and I'm super excited because number one, this is my very first review video on my YouTube channel, and number two, I just love mascaras. I love to explore new mascaras, and that's my thing to collect eyeshadow palettes, mascara, foundation, these three things. I absolutely love it. I'm super pumped to use this mascara because ये जैसे ही अनाउंस हुआ था कि इंडिया में लॉन्च हो रहा है नायका पे, सो मैंने तुरंत इसको ऑर्डर कर दिया था. मैं बीमार थी तब भी मैंने ऑर्डर कर दिया क्योंकि ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करने में तो क्या बुराई है. तो मैंने ये ऑर्डर कर दिया था और शायद 2-3 दिन में ही आ गया था नायका से. सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड टू यूज़ दिस वन. नाउ वन मोर थिंग, मेरे साथ ऐसा है कि मस्कारा का सिर्फ फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन होता है. लाइक अगर मुझे फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन में मज़ा आया मस्कारा के साथ तो मैं उसको कंटिन्यूस 2-3 महीना यूज़ करूँगी जब तक मस्कारा ख़त्म ना हो जाए. और अगर मुझे नहीं पसंद आया तो शायद मैं वापस देखूँगी नहीं, मेरे लिस्ट से कट डाउन हो जाएगा. क्योंकि फाउंडेशन के साथ ऐसा होता है कि कभी अच्छा लगता है कभी नहीं अच्छा लगता है, तो वो चेंज होता रहता है स्किन के हिसाब से. लेकिन मस्कारा के साथ ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मुझे पसंद आया तो मैं कंटिन्यूस यूज़ करती रहूँगी और सबको रिकमेंड करूँगी कि बहुत अच्छा है. तो दैट्स वन थिंग. लेट्स सी हाउ दिस वन गोज़. ऑनेस्टली मुझे बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशन है इसके साथ बिकॉज आई फील हुडा ब्यूटीज़ के सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अप टू द मार्क रहते हैं. बी इट आई शेडो पैलेट, फाउंडेशन और फॉल्सीज सब बहुत अच्छे हैं. सो बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशन है मुझे इसके साथ. ऑल्सो दिस इज़ नॉट ए स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो. आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू रिव्यू दिस प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज आई फील मस्कारा के हिसाब से थोड़ा प्राइसी है. मतलब इतना प्राइसी नहीं है बिकॉज 2-in-1 है तो थोड़ा प्राइसी है. सो जिससे आप डिसाइड कर पाए और आप लोग के लिए हेल्पफुल रहे कि इसे लेना चाहिए या नहीं. Now first I'm going to show you all its packaging. Packaging is really nice. It's really, what to say, beautiful, gorgeous, and I feel it's really nice and different. Also the price for this mascara is 2250 and the quantity is 17 ml, which is nice. I think मुझे ज़्यादा पता नहीं है quantity के बारे में, but क्योंकि mascara 2-in-1 है तो I feel 17 ml I think is pretty nice. I really love the concept of 2-in-1 mascara. This side is length and curl and this side is volume. So sometimes you just want to go subtle, curled and length when you're going to office or college, and sometimes you just want to go extra dramatic and voluminous lashes, जो कि मैं हूँ. मुझे बहुत dramatic lashes पसंद है. So I think that's a really great idea. अगर दोनों work किए अच्छे से, so I think the mascara should be really nice and helpful for everyone. So let's see. So let me open it for you guys. Ooh. So this is how it looks. It's totally gorgeous. It has black matte finish. So this side is volume and this side is length and curl. Now moving on to the application, I'm just going to apply the mascara on this side so that we can see the difference. Now as Huda says, use the volume side first before layering on the curl and length side for the ultimate lashes. So I'm going to use the volume side first. Volume, yeah. So I'm just going, oh. So this is how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to apply the volume side. Okay. Okay. I think it's nice. Okay, so it is nice, but I feel this side has given me length and curl, but when it comes to volume is okayish, I feel. Let's see. Now I'm going to move on with the curl and length side. Ooh. It has definitely added some length, but I feel it's not looking nice. It is looking really clumsy and not neat. So this is how it looks. Honestly, I am not liking it that much because it has just separated my lashes and there is no such volume. Okay, so now for the comparison, I'm going to do my this eye with the regular mascara that I use so that we can see the comparison and we can see that if this mascara can replace my Holy Grail mascara. So now I'm going to do my mascara routine, which I do on daily basis, and for that I first curl my lashes and just hold for a few seconds. Okay, so I just curled my lashes and next I'm going to use my all-time favorite mascara, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and yeah, let's see. This is the first coat of Better Than Sex mascara. Now this is the second and final coat of Too Faced mascara. I don't know what you guys are thinking, but for me this side is winning, which is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, because this side is just giving me length and curl and this side is giving me length and curl plus also some nice amount of volume. So if you're someone who loves length and curl, you can go for this one, but I feel आप दूसरा mascara भी ले सकते हैं जो थोड़े affordable price में है, because this one is for 2250, so you can go for Maybelline or Flower Beauty or L'Oreal, but this one I don't think so. I'm not saying this is really bad, but my expectations were really high because it's 2-in-1, so मेरी expectation कुछ और ही थी. Okay, so for the last bit, I also wanted to show you guys the process of getting rid of the mascara. So I'm just going to go and wash my face and then I'm going to show you all if the process was simple or clumsy or whatever. Okay, so I just washed my face and the process was not that difficult. It came out easily, but you have to use either a cleansing oil or cleansing balm and then followed by a face wash, because I don't feel it will come out easily with just a face wash. You have to double cleanse it. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and for my final answer, I'm not going to repurchase it because I think it's little pricey and also there is no such wow factor, and as I told you guys, I love volume and this one has not given me any kind of volume. This has just given me length and curl, but there is no such volume, so I'm not going to buy it. And I think you guys can also try some other product. You can also try this one, Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This one is also pricey, but at least you can first try the mini version and then buy this full size, so I think this is the plus point of this one. But this one for me is a no. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know your thoughts and your opinion on this product. मुझे personally इतना मज़ा नहीं आया. आप अपनी opinion बताइए, मैं comment से पढ़ रही हूँ. And also I'm planning to do one brand makeup tutorial. So let me know which brand would you guys like me to do. And I will see you next Friday. Bye.